Hey everyone! Did you know that nearly 70% of midlife women report feeling exhausted daily? Yes, that's a staggering statistic, and it hits home for many of us. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects so many women: exhaustion in midlife. It's a struggle that's all too common, yet often overlooked. We're going to explore why this happens, what causes it, and most importantly, how we can tackle it head-on. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the challenges many women face during midlife. It's not just about the physical fatigue. It's a whole mix of things. Many of us juggle careers, family responsibilities, and social obligations, all while trying to maintain our health and happiness. Emotional fatigue can creep in, leaving us feeling drained and overwhelmed. Mentally, it's like we're juggling 1,000 thoughts at once, which can lead to a sense of burnout. And the truth is, this kind of exhaustion isn't just a phase, it's a real challenge that needs to be addressed. So what's going on here? Let's dive into the causes of this midlife exhaustion. For many women, hormonal changes play a significant role. As we approach menopause, our bodies undergo some serious shifts that can contribute to fatigue. But that's not all. Lifestyle factors like poor sleep quality, lack of exercise, and high stress levels can also take a toll. And let's not forget about societal pressures. Many women feel the need to do it all, which can lead to feelings of inadequacy and fatigue. All of these elements combine to create a perfect storm of exhaustion. It can feel impossible to escape. Alright, so here's the key moment. The good news is, there are ways to combat this exhaustion. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine is one actionable tip that can make a difference. Just taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness and help center your thoughts and reduce stress. Another important aspect is prioritizing self-care. Whether it's setting aside time for a hobby, taking a relaxing bath, or simply saying no to things that drain your energy, self-care is essential. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, so make sure you're filling yours up first. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. We talked about how common exhaustion is among women in midlife, the challenges we face, and the causes behind that overwhelming fatigue. Most importantly, we discussed practical steps you can take to start feeling more energized and in control of your life again. Recognizing and addressing exhaustion is crucial, so don't overlook it. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your own experiences with exhaustion in midlife in the comments below. Let's support each other through this journey. And if you're interested in more self-care strategies, make sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and take care.